Tank Tank300 ARC Series Rear Bumper Installation Guide. First, remove the original vehicle rear bumper. Unplug the wiring harness. Take off the rear bumper. Install the original vehicle wiring harness and radars onto the ARC Series ARC rear bumper. Install 4 radars. Radar extension cables are required for the radars on both sides. Connect the wire to the light wire. If there is a Tank300 spare tire carrier, remove the baffle here. Hammer down the support bar bracket here, add washers. Install screws. Pay attention to the orientation, install onto the crash beam, without tightening yet. Repeat the same for the other side. Mount the rear bumper on the vehicle. Fix this position with 7 shaped washers and screws. If the two sides are asymmetrical, add leveling washers to level them. Tighten all screws at the brackets after adjusting the rear bumper position. Finally, install the tow hook. With this side facing outward. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing Tank300.